realized that the house actually they are not a very big house, so therefore we have the Scandi touch, minimalist Scandi. At the same time, we fell in love in the Bohemian artistic tile, so we invented Scandi-Boho with minimalist design. Welcome to this episode of Open House. I'm your designer, Averse Yau from ABCD Blue Cube Design. Start from the layout, they are actually different than other normal 4-room unit. So what we did actually, we had off the kitchen wall to make the kitchen, actually we pull the kitchen out until the dining area. At the same time, we do have a divider requirement, therefore we place the requirement as a strategic location with the dining table together. So from the layout onwards, we actually start playing all these spatial elements. And we have some beam column area in the typical HDB, and we curve it out by using some rounded effect, rounded edges, and to make it even more artistic than before. With all these curves, it's really softened the design. We put a lot of styling items, example like this artistic plate on the wall. For the house, actually, we did place some area for the mushroom and bedroom too as well. We hacked out the wall. We created a more privacy master room. At the same time, we have a projector screen in the master room as well. So we want to make the room itself a home theater during the night time. Okay, in the Scandi-Bohemian style, right, we try to make it different than the modern style. We do not have a lot of false ceiling, curved lighting design. But then at the same time, we need to cover the trunking as well. We cannot consider the casing. So therefore, we do have an overlay partition board to cover it. And then we play with some interesting lighting, like some hanging light with the spatial feature, and then some track light to emphasize some of the area that we want to emphasize. And in Bohemian, we more prefer on the natural light instead of the artificial light. Therefore, some of the light that even we're using, right, we try to use the warm light instead of the white light.